Hello everyone, my name is Andrea Pionkowski, your immigration attorney, and today I want to talk about the Kayla Hamilton Act, which is a bill that was already approved by the House of Representatives and is going to go through the review and approval of the Senate to later go to the president's office, and if signed by the president, it will become law in the United States. This bill is basically a stricter proposal of what we have for unaccompanied minors. Right now, if a minor comes into the United States without legal status and without parents or representatives, that minor is placed into a program called unaccompanied minor. And they basically need a sponsor on this side, and they are released with no background checks. The sponsor is not reviewed by anyone. They just get released, and later they can apply. If they meet all the requirements, they can apply for a green card. And it's as easy as that. So, it's a tricky program because a lot of people have taken advantage of it. But that's not the issue here. That's not the question. The problem is that these kind of situations trigger a lot of human trafficking. A lot of people just take the kids to the border for them to cross alone, okay? Because on the other side, they're going to have someone waiting for them. Imagine how irresponsible that is and how dangerous that can be. But what happened is that back in 2022, there was a minor that committed a terrible crime. He killed a U.S. citizen from Maryland, Kayla Hamilton. She was an autistic young lady who got killed in the hands of someone that was in the system but was released with no review, with no background check. Nobody checked who the sponsor was. Nothing. And that's where that case triggered the need of, or the realization that we had a gap in our laws and we needed stricter rules. So basically, this bill proposes to review who the minor is. Yes, check. Does he had any tattoos that implied any gang participation? Does he has any sort of criminal record in his home country? Who the sponsor is? Is it a family member? Does this person has immigration status? Does this person has a criminal record? All these things need to be reviewed in order to release this minor into society here before they check that this person doesn't place a risk to the community and not a risk to himself. So I think it's a pretty good bill. I think it proposes what we need to have in place. I don't see what's the point of debate of this, but apparently it's very controversial. What are your thoughts?